Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzidi here again with part 3 of this free training about creating a membership website using WordPress. If this is the first video that you are watching for this free training series, please note that I'm creating a 6-part free training about creating membership websites using WordPress, where I cover everything from setting up a theme to even selling and setting up email marketing automations and follow up with your community members. Up till now, we have covered part 1, which I covered, or where I covered how to set up a starter website using Cadence theme in Cadence blocks to quickly launch your membership website. And in part 2, which was the last video of this series, I have explained how we can set up membership levels using wishlist member. We have covered creating, 2 membership levels, one of them silver and one of them is gold, and I have added a free membership level as well. And then we reviewed the main settings of having a membership level, and I have explained how we can, restrict access to specific parts of our website. Now, in part 3, which is the topic of this video, I will show you how we can, sell memberships using PayPal, but the same applies to using Stripe and so many other payment gateways. In the coming videos, I will show you how we can, create, how can we protect an online course, and then in part 5, how we can set up email marketing automations, and in part 6, I will show you how we can create members dashboard. Down below in the video description, you'll find access to all of these different parts of this series. And who knows, maybe I will, create a bonus part to cover some specific details about creating a membership website using WordPress. Anyway, now, as I mentioned, this is part 3. I will show you how we can sell memberships using PayPal, but the same applies to using Stripe and so many different payment gateways. So what I have done now is that I have created a landing page I called it Silver Membership. This is the landing page. This is just a dummy text. I have just used Cadence blocks to download a quickly sales page like this. So now let me show you how we can sell memberships using this sales page. Basically, what we need to do is that we need to add a link to this button so people can, click the link and buy our memberships. So what we need to do is that we need to go to wishlist member, then go to setup, and here we need to access integrations. You'll find these are all the payment providers that are currently supported by wishlist member. You'll find the common ones here. You'll find Samcart, you'll find Stripe, you'll find Thrivecart, Stripe, Sendowl, WooCommerce, of course, if you are using WooCommerce subscriptions. You'll find One Shopping Cart. I mean, so many payment gateways here, and this is one of the best features of using wishlist member, which is the direct integrations with so many services. Okay, so let me show you how we can, use PayPal checkout to sell our memberships. So I will just click here to choose PayPal checkout as my payment gateway, and then I need to activate it. So I'll just click here to activate this, and then I need to make some configurations, and then I need to create products for the different levels I have. And then I need to set up cancellations, which means what should happen if someone cancels their subscription with this level or that level. Okay, so let's start with settings. Here, if you want to know, you need to add, like if you click configurations, configure, for example, you need to add like API username, API password, API signature, okay? If you don't know how you can get these, you can just click this link. So let me click this link here and see what you will have. So this is the screen that will happen. This is the screen that will, show, you need to show your API as username and password and signature, and just copy them and add them to your wishlist member PayPal configuration. But I'll be using the sandbox testing just for testing purposes. And to access these, all you need to do is that you need to go to your PayPal account and then click developer, and you will have access to the sandbox API credentials. I have them here in a text file, so I will quickly just copy and paste them. So I have just added my API sandbox username, password, and API signature. Then we need to click save and close. Now we should be able to start using PayPal to sell our memberships. Now the next step is that we need to go to products, and here we need to add a new or create products relevant to each membership level that we have, paid level actually. So we click here, add a product, and then let's call this like silver membership. This is the membership that I want to sell. I will choose which membership level here. I will choose silver membership. If you have more than one level or two levels of memberships, you will find them all listed here. So let me choose silver membership, and then you can just even make this one-time payment if you like, just to give people the opportunity maybe to pay you for like just one-time fee, and then you will have access, continuous or ongoing access to your membership. But because this is a recurring revenue, I just use subscription, and I will add my amount. Let's say that I will add this like 47 bucks, or is 47 US dollars per month, and I will choose here my currency. For the billing cycle, you can make these like 1 month or days or weeks or years, whatever you want. Maybe you are setting this for like, for yearly memberships. I will choose yearly. I will make this like 1 year or 2 years or whatever year you want to have, or billing cycle that you like. I'll make this like 1 month, so this will be like a monthly fee. For how many cycles? Definitely this will be like never. Maximum failed attempts. This means that how many times do you like to PayPal to retry getting paid for this? Okay, I will just leave this like maybe 5 times. Okay, if you like to add a trial period, let's add a trial period. Maybe you like to make like a 7-day trial period. Okay, so now your full payment for each month is 47, but you like to give people, let's say that you like to give them like a $1 trial period for 7 days, or even let's make this for 3 days. Okay, so for the first 3 days, they will be paying $1, and then they will be paying $47 every month. And then let's click close, save and close. And this is our product here. What you actually need to do is that you just need to copy the link. You click here, you have the link here. Make sure that you review everything. So this is my silver membership, access to silver membership level, subscription, currency USD, and this is the amount. Then you just need to copy this link here, and let's go to our page. So this is the back end of our page. All I need to do is that I need to click this button here, and then I will need to add the link in this. This is the button settings. This is the button link. I'll just click here. I'll click update. So the page has been updated. Let's open this incognito mode. Now the link for the button should be working now. Okay, so let's click join now and see if we will be taken into PayPal to complete the payment process. Okay, we are redirected into PayPal. This is showing in Arabic, but let me switch this into English. And let's click login. And let me add my PayPal sandbox or test email. And let me add my password. And let's click login. Now I should be able to see my payment or checkout settings. Oh, so this is my checkout settings. I will choose this credit card. All of this are sandbox or testing accounts. So I just click save and continue, and let's see if this will be completed. I should be able now. Okay, great. Now the payment has been done. I need to add my I need to complete the registration form for the silver membership level, and then I will click submit registration. I will wait for like 3 seconds to be redirected into my welcome. Okay, this is, you have been successfully registered for the silver membership level. Now I can access whatever whatever content that is protected by this membership level. If I go to my the back end of my WordPress website, if I go to members, I should be able to see a new member now. So let me click here. Let's wait for a second. And here we go. This is the new member that has been added. They are added into silver membership level. Even if I click here, you'll find some additional information. For example, they are subscribed to my email broadcasts, address, if they have added an address, levels, this is their levels, some advanced features here. For example, when did they register, and this is their registration date, last login, and some additional information. So now the setting up PayPal has been successful. I mean, you can set up different levels here. You can just need to take the links and add them to your buttons. So we have added our product here. If you want to add another product, all you need to do is that you need to click add a new product. You name it whatever you want. Maybe for the gold membership, I will add another product here, and you just add your access and or your payment information or the payment billing cycles. Now, the last step in this process is that you need to check, before checking the cancellations, let me show you a proof that this process has been completed inside PayPal. So I will log into my Sandbox account and show you like an official receipt that as a payer or as a member that I will be asked to pay every month $47. So let me quickly log into my Sandbox account here and come back again. So this is the payment notification that the member will receive once they complete their payment for my trial period and then for the recurring monthly payment. If you click here, you'll find this is saying that you set up as a member automatic payment for test store, which is my the name of my membership now. So this is what it's saying. This is saying that the payment is like $1 for the next amount, which is the trial period. And then each month, the member will pay like $47 each month. And the payment starts in June 17th, which is after 3 days of the trial period payment. So basically, this means that my payment has been successful, and now each member who clicks this link will be able to, will be paying like $1 for as a trial period and then $47 each month. So basically now it means that my setting on my PayPal is successful, but of course in the live, once you want to make your membership website live, you need to go back to settings and click configure, and you need to add or change your API credentials into your live credentials. So now this is done, but just one last step that you need to be sure you are doing, which is about cancellations. And here you need to decide what should happen if someone cancels their automatic payments. For example, you have here actually two options: cancel membership at end of the PayPal subscription, or just cancel it immediately after the PayPal subscription is canceled. So basically this means that if you just leave this checked, it means that once the member cancels their membership will be cut immediately, okay? They will lose access to all of the protected content or restricted content based on their membership level. But usually I would choose the cancel membership at the end of a PayPal subscription. So let's say that if someone should be paying me for my membership at the 15th of each month, okay? But they cancel their membership at the first of the month, which is a monthly membership, which means that they have already paid me for the rest of the month, for the rest of the 15 days. So I will give them the right to access my content till the end of their PayPal subscription. Okay, so they will have access to my restricted content till the end of their billing month. Usually I will choose this one. Of course, you need to be consistent across all of your membership levels, so I'll just make sure to choose this option for all of my membership levels. So this is how you can actually set up PayPal to be your payment gateways. If you want to make any additional, if you want to activate any other payment provider, for example, if you want to activate Stripe, for example, you just click here. All you need to do is to follow the instructions. And Wishlist member is known for giving so much documentation and detailed instructions about how to set up each and every payment provider. All you need to do is to click here to access your the instructions about setting up PayPal. So basically now we are done. We have activated our payment or selling. We have activated selling our memberships using PayPal. The same applies to other payment providers. By this we have completed part 3. In the next part of this series, I will show you how you can actually protect an online course created with LearnDash. So make sure that you follow this YouTube channel to show or to see and watch the next video. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next part of this free training about creating a membership website using WordPress.